Creamy Greek lemon chicken soup, otherwise known as Avgolemono, is what's on the menu today, and I'm showing you how to make it. We're gonna start with a whole chicken, place it in a pot, and cover it with water. You want to just cover the chicken with water or your soup is gonna be too watery. So you just wanna just cover it, maybe go up 1 inch over that, but no more. I like to add in a little bit of sliced onion because I just cannot make a soup without onion, and a clove of garlic. This is purely optional, but it just adds a little more flavor. And that's it. We're gonna bring this to a boil and then let it simmer for about an hour. You're killing 2 birds with 1 stone here. You're creating your own homemade chicken broth while also cooking the chicken for the soup. It doesn't get much easier than this. If you do want it a little quicker than this, then you can use a rotisserie chicken for the meat and then just maybe some store-bought broth. Up to you. As the liquid comes to a boil, you'll see some of the impurities rise to the surface. You're gonna wanna skim those off throughout the process. That's just gonna help clarify and purify your soup. While that gets going, we need some fresh lemon juice. So you're gonna want to juice 2 large lemons. At the end of the day, you need about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice. Then you're gonna wanna crack and whisk 3 eggs in a bowl. Some recipes just call for the yolk. We're going in with the whole egg in this recipe. Everything's prepped and ready to go. When the chicken's cooked, we'll pull it out. Get ready. Once it has been about an hour or until your chicken is cooked, you'll be able to tell because it kind of starts falling off the bone a little bit. We are going to remove it and all of the onions or garlic if you put them in there. Let it cool a little bit and we'll shred it. And now we have this delicious, flavorful chicken broth, and to that we are going to add our rice in. Typically in this dish you want a shorter grain rice because as it cooks in there it's gonna add some starchiness and add to that creamy texture of our soup. When our rice is about done, it's time to incorporate the egg and lemon. First I'm gonna whisk the lemon juice into the egg and get that nice and combined. While whisking constantly, stir in some of the hot broth into the yolk mixture. And once that has come to temperature, we're gonna whisk the whole thing into the soup. This is where the magic happens. The egg emulsifies into the soup and makes it super creamy. You're gonna stir at the same time you add it. It looks so creamy, and the yellow color is just to remind you that it's lemony, but y'all, there's no cream in there. We're gonna stir in our chicken, season it with a little salt and pepper, and it's done. I wish you could smell this. I mean, just a few very simple ingredients can make something this delicious. I wouldn't steer you wrong. I love to finish it off with some fresh dill and fresh parsley. Cracked pepper, serve it with some crusty bread. You can do a salad also, but this is good for me. From the moment it hits your lips, really even right before it goes in, you can smell the lemon. Y'all, this is a delicacy. It really is. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what you want me to teach you how to make next. This is so good. Opa.